Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Saturday inaugurated the new Lumshnong C&Rd block in East Jaintia Hills district in the presence of Minister of Commerce and Industries Department, Sngeo Bhalangdhar, and local MLA Chitlang Pali. Also present during the inaugural function were the local MDC and Chairman Joint Action Committee, among others. Speaking at the function, Sangma thanked the Chairman and the members of the Joint Action Committee for their tireless efforts and hard work to ensure that the Lumshnong C&Rd block is inaugurated. During the program, the Chief Minister also, along with the Minister of Commerce and Industries Department, distributed checks under grassroots level response towards ecosystem enhancement and nurturing scheme, GREEN, and payment for ecosystem PS to 3 beneficiaries.
My warm welcome to all presented here, Honorable Cabinet Minister, Commerce and Industry, Shri Facilities.
This kind of administrative offices, blocks and other departmental offices. Imagine people of Ratachera, people of Huroi, people of Hingaria had to travel for 4 hours to go to the block office to get simple developmental schemes, to get simple documentation done. And hence this demand for this new block was absolutely justified. And as a government, we have been saying this time and again, that it is our endeavor to bring administration closer to the people.
A meeting was held between